Hi, welcome back to Lucky's Kitchen channel. Today we are making an easy dish with eggplants. Now cut fresh young eggplant to 1/2 inch thickness. You want a budget-friendly dinner. Eggplant and minced pork are affordable ingredients that stretch well. For the best flavor, cook the dish soon after, buying the eggplants while they are still fresh and firm. This dish is savory, slightly sweet, and goes perfectly with a bowl of hot rice. Steam the cut eggplant for 4 minutes. This helps prevent browning and reduces oil absorption. Now add some oil to the pan. 3 cloves of garlic, minced it. Love this video? Hit the subscribe button below. Thank for your support. It means a lot to us. Saute the garlic until fragrant. Add your 200-gram minced pork. Add the minced pork and cook until no longer pink. Add rice wine to reduce smell of pork. Add some chili, is optional. Stir in dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce. Chicken seasoning and sugar. Return the steamed eggplant to the pan and mix well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the eggplant is tender and coated with the sauce. Add a few slices of chili or 1 teaspoon of chili paste. While cooking the pork for a spicy kick, a drizzle of sesame oil at the end also adds great aroma. Sprinkle with chopped spring onion if desired. Serve hot with steamed rice.